welcome to my channel. Today we have something. Where are they? Wait, guys, this is not supposed to be here, guys. Wait, guys. Okay, I'm gonna do some magic. Okay, I'm gonna make the stuff we need to do a video appear. Abra, cadabra, bing. There we go. This is the thing I want to talk about today, guys. We got something special. We got these Hot Wheels. We got the Hot Wheels Flame set. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we got a little bit something. We also got a Lamborghini for an extra because, yeah, why not? So yeah, guys, I put all my supercars here. You can take a look at them. They're pretty nice, aren't they? But yeah, guys, let's just open the packs. So yes, let's find it. Let's open up our packs, shall we? All right, you guys ready? Okay, you guys ready? Okay, guys, we finally did it. We finally did that. Finally. Let's go through all Hot Wheels. First flame Hot Wheel we have is this pink, kind of like hot rod kind of car. It's small. It has these like mufflers. It has these engine like this. It has this engine sticking out, tiny engine. And it has some cool flames. Right there. And there's only one seat inside the car. Only you can drive the car. That's a cool car. It's like a Mini Cooper. And here we got the trunk. I don't know what this thing is here. But yeah, here we go. We got this tiny little car. And then let's go with this one. My favorite. Here we got a old pickup truck. This is an old pickup truck. I see these on the road. Here, let's take a look. It's gray. Got some cool purple flames. Here's the back. And then here's the front. And here are the rims. And let's see it. Let's take a look inside. Take a look. Keep on going. Keep on going. Keep on going. See? There. And this car was made in 2009, so yeah. I like it. Boom, boom. And then we got a race car. It's it's long. It has a cool. Oh, I forgot. Oh, yeah, cool. Now it's the back. Here we have the cool flames right here. Pretty cool, right? Here we got the front. And you guys, let's take a look on the inside. It actually has back seats. This car has back seats. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 seats. Hey guys, want to drive inside the car? Want to drive inside? Want to drive inside? Okay. Want to drive inside our car? Come in. Come in. Let's go inside the car. Okay, you guys join the car, okay? Then we got this this kind of Camaro or Dodge. I'm not really sure what it is. But you guys, I have two. Hey, look at, he has a brother now. It's cool. It is yellow and has a cool flame. And it looks like it's made out of cheese. And we got some red lines around the tires. It's a pretty cool car. Look. Boom, boom. I like it. Good. Let's take a look inside, shall we? Take a look inside our car. Keep on going. Yeah, see it? Okay. Here we have the final last car in our pack. It's very beautiful. It's tall. It's red. Got the flame. White interior. I really like this car. White interior. And it has a flat face. And the back, it's a trunk. And it's flat too. It looks pretty cool. I like it. These cars are on. You guys, these cars are on fire. They have flames. Oh no! Someone get the hose. So we don't need that anymore. Here we finally got the Lamborghini. So let's open you up. Yike. Okay, now let's see. Let's open you up. Oh, yay. Get you out of here. Here we have our baby. Here we have our Lamborghini. Let's take a look. He is baby blue. He's orange. And he has an orange interior. Take a look. It's very smooth too. There. Pretty cool, I think. Instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's 6. We got a 6-pack. Yeah, we got here. You got the whole family. Yeah. No, wait, I think I saw something. I thought I saw something. Well, yeah, guys. These are all our cars we have got. So, yeah. Here we got the Lamborghini, this one, the one, sport car, pickup truck, and this tiny car. So, yeah, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like and subscribe and turn on the notification so you can never miss a video ever again in your life. And also, I have a gaming channel. Again, because I gotta always tell you, I have a gaming channel. Okay? Just type in Zamir Gaming 101, or you can just go to my channel, and then you just go on channels, and then you'll see Zamir Gaming 101, or you can just just go to search and type in Zamir Gaming 101. So, just subscribe to my channel and like to my Zamir Gaming. So yeah, guys, this is different. So yeah, guys, bye. Bye bye. Here you go.